This is just a quick video to show you how to cut your old bits of glass up into mosaic pieces to use them up in a mosaic. So it's just a little hack on how to do that quickly. So I hope you find it useful. Check out my other videos and please like, comment and subscribe. Sometimes I cut strips and then you break them to size like this. So you just put the nippers on the edge of the glass and they crack like that. So that's one way to do it. If I need to make a lot of pieces and I'm going to cut a load of squares this size, let's check the size, 20. I'll show you how I do that. Now the first thing I'm going to do is cut myself a nice edge. Horrible glass to cut. Now, having got an edge, can you still see? Having got an edge, you can then start squaring it off. I'm going to actually mark this for size because it'll be easier. This is opaque glass, and any of you, you couldn't even hear a cut when I first did that. Horrible stuff. You need a lot of pressure. Just slides. I don't like it at all. Done that one, so let's do this one. Oh, it's horrible, horrible, I hate it. All you people out there who do Tiffany glass work, I don't envy you. Okay, so that's broken. That doesn't matter, but now all my pieces are, the markings are here. So I'll just show you on this piece anyway what I do. So, actually, if you don't have to press so hard, it's a bit easier with this technique. See it broken a bit there. It doesn't matter though. I really did pick the worst glass to demonstrate on. But I want to show you the principle, and it doesn't matter if it goes a bit horrible. Right, let's leave it at that for the time being. Now that is supposed to happen. What we're doing is just breaking them all up. And actually, when glass isn't so horrible, just dropping it on the desk can break it up really nicely. But basically, if you do a matrix of cuts before you start to cut, you can see it's quite quick. I will carry on and finish this. But this is quite a quick way of getting your pieces done, even on horrible glass. So, like I was saying, actually dropping them on the table is quite a good way of getting them all broken quite quickly. But this glass just doesn't like it. Doesn't like breaking. Never liked opaque glass. It's quite good to have this Mosaic to use up my opaque glass because there's not many places in a window where I find it easy to use opaque glass. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's how I cut up pieces quickly. So if you're using up your scraps, this is a good thing to do. And I hope that little quick hack has helped. Thank you. Like, comment and subscribe.